Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. alishanmao here. Check this out. RadioMaster has just released the new wireless trainer module, which makes it easier to set up two radios as masters and slave for training purposes. So if you want to learn to fly RC helicopters or RC airplanes, the best way to do without flight simulator is the old traditional way, where you use one radio for a student and one radio for the trainer. Of course, an experienced pilot holds the trainer radio and a student gets the student radio. So the trainer just flips a switch and gives control of the model to the student, and whenever a student makes a mistake, immediately trainer will flip a switch and get control and take control of the model and save the model from crashing. This is how it works. Before, we used to have a physical cable connected to the radios, and there's always was a compatibility issue between radios. But now with the RadioMaster Wireless Trainer module, everything is as simple as 1, 2, 3. So let me just describe it very quickly. Later in another video, in details, I will give you a demonstration, inshallah, how to use a wireless trainer module and how to configure it. For now, let me describe it very quickly. Now, the good thing about this wireless trainer module is that you are not radio brand dependent, okay? So for student radio, regardless of brand, you can have RadioMaster, FR, Skyfoot, or any radio controller. The only condition is that these student radios should be able to bind to a 5-volt SBUS receiver. Any receiver that has a 5-volt SBUS feature in it, they should be able to bind to that receiver, and that's all. So here are the simple steps. Get a student radio, regardless of brand. Bind it to a receiver which has a 5-volt SBUS. Put this receiver inside this module. Let me show you. In there are 2 ports, so you can connect it to one of those ports. Should you use TX16S as a trainer radio, there's a port for that, and for Boxer there's a port for that. The receiver that is bound to the student radio will be connected inside this module. After that, the module goes at the back of your radio. Obviously, this module is available in micro and nano versions to fit the radios that take micro and nano. Okay, so this TX16S has a big port at the back side. Okay, while some radios, they have smaller ones, just like the GX12. So micro and nano are available for this wireless trainer module. So this trainer module simply goes and plugs at the back of your radio. Turn your radio on, go to the system and go to the trainer feature, okay, and configure your trainer channels. Basically, you don't have to do much. It's already channel 1, 2, 3, 4, but you must make sure reversing, okay, for all these 4 channels, you must make sure the reversing is right and all the surfaces are working in right direction for the control of your model. And after that, on your trainer radio, you set up a switch so that you can flip that switch and give the control to the student anytime you want, or take control from a student away anytime you want. So it's just that easy now to configure 2 radios as trainer and student radios using RadioMaster Wireless Trainer module. So that's it. I just wanted to introduce it to you. Later, inshallah, I will do some videos on how to set this up properly and show how it works. Stay tuned for more videos. Check out the link in video description should you want to get the wireless trainer module.
Crash, rebuild, bounce back, that's what I do. Crash, rebuild, bounce back quick. We in the dirty south, ain't no one slick.